Back on the videos now. I don't think I've done one in about 2 weeks. Just had a bit of time off over Christmas. I was still trading, but not really didn't really have my head in it properly. So, just looking at the top of the chart of Bitcoin now, we did get another poke up and another high, and it's just holding on to the upside by a thread. We could have already had a five wave ending diagonal which made a new high to finish off the move up, and that would have been like this: 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's also just touched into my yellow box I've had drawn there for months. Well, no, that's a new one, not for months. That one's just a recent one, when looking at the possibility of us going for another high up to a possible target of 51 at the top. Now, normally off a diagonal, when it ends, you get a sharp drop. So if that was the diagonal then, it would work out perfect, because look, we got a sharp drop. So I think the chances of the top being in now are pretty high, because if it was going to not be this 5 count in the red, and it was going to be this one, look how close the 4 is. If I move out of the way a minute and move this out of the way a minute, and I'll zoom in, look how close the 4 is to going underneath the 2. You can see, if I zoom right in, this purple line is the bottom of 2. So if this number 4 here, the bottom here, goes through that purple line, and then after through the orange line below, that pretty much invalidates the move up now, and that means the top is in. So we finally got out of the range we were in here, in between these orange lines here and here. Here. I'm going to delete that back off the chart. So there is a possibility that we still can have one more high up, which would be in an ABC pattern for an ending, the 5th wave of an ending diagonal. But given how far back this 4 has come, and the fact that it was a very sharp retrace, which is what you get off a diagonal, it really does suit that we're on the way down. So realistically, as I've been waiting for this move down anyway, there is a possibility now that was the A wave down today. So we had a ABC down for the A wave. I thought we were actually going to get another low, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen now. But it would go like this. That would be ABC. We would now be in the B wave up, which would probably target, hold on, I'll just put it on the chart, which would target we've already actually, the B wave could already be in. So basically, if we were to carry on down now, we would either have the B wave in, or if this was going to turn into a 5 wave move, which I don't think it is because it's already overextended to the 3.618, so I'd probably go for it being a 3 wave move instead, then the B wave could be in, because we've actually come back up and just nearly hit, well, we have hit it by the looks of it. We've just about hit the 0.5 retracement, so there is a chance it could be in and we could carry on down now. If that was the case, that would mean that this would be the target. So the next target's down for the larger A wave with an ABC inside would be 34k. Then if we hit 34k, I would then expect to bounce back up to probably around 40k maybe, and then we would head down in the C wave towards this yellow box that I've had here for months. Hold on, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit because it's too big. Yeah, so this yellow box at the bottom, the big massive one, it's the target area for the move down that I've had there for ages. So hopefully we're in the ABC down now for A, then a B up, then a C down into this box, which I've been talking about for ages. That's all for now.